How to fix sent emails not showing in the sent items folder in Outlook. So from here is my Outlook account, and then I have my Outlook application open, and then I have the sent items right here, and I can see all of my emails properly right here. But if you have a problem seeing your emails right here in the sent items, we have different options or different solutions to fix that. The first thing that you need to do is that you need to go right here to send and receive tab, and then make sure that all of your folders or inboxes is synced. So you can click send and receive all folders right here so that it will sync all of your folders up to date. The other thing that you can do is that you can also just click update folder right here, so that way it will just sync the send items folder which is currently open right now. And then the other thing that we need to do is make sure that the work offline is turned off. So because if this is turned on, so your Outlook will now be in offline mode, and then that can affect the emails in your sent items not reflected right here. And then you can also identify this if you have the X icon right here in your Outlook application. So just turn that off so that you are now online. And then the other thing is that you need to make sure you also have an internet connection. So from here, go to your internet settings, make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi, and then that Wi-Fi should have an internet. And then if it's still not working, what you can do is that you can go to File and then click Options. From here, go to Mail and then scroll down until you see Save Messages. And then you need to make sure that the Save Copies of Messages in the Sent Items folder is turned on. So if this is turned off, what happens is that all of your emails or messages that you sent are not being copied to the Sent Items folder. So just make sure this is turned on so that all of your sent items will appear in the folder. Click OK, and then that is it. So those problems, or I mean those solutions that I have presented should fix your problem about your emails not appearing in the sent items folder. So I hope that fixed your problem, and thank you for watching.